Well, as projects go, there's always a few little setbacks, and this is no different. When I started the machine up originally, what happened was this bolt here came back and cleaned the tang off. And you can also see where it has been scraping. Unfortunately, I tried just now to adjust the stroke because I do have a piece of material inside the vise. And this is on a slider inside, and it took a considerable amount of force. Possibly we can see it in here. This slides inside of a groove, and that's how you change the stroke. I had to get a pry bar to try to get it to move. I moved it a little bit, but I'm not big on trying to force stuff. So unfortunately, something happened here. For some reason, it never had a cover on it before. I think some of these parts were made. It was a bit proud, so I took about 100 thou off of them so that they would be inside the cover and not hit these parts. But in the process, this part here that slides inside there, and I don't have the proper name for it, it is bent and it doesn't want to slide back and forth. It did when I put it together, but it doesn't want to do it now. So I can't adjust the stroke on the machine currently. Take two. I didn't have the cover tightened up, so it was hitting the inside of the pulley. So if we turn the motor on, we engage the clutch, and which way are we going? Okay, so I'm going to change the direction, and it is starting to move. It's making a cut. I'll have to wait a little bit before it gets to where I want it, but it appears to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. There we go. I can hear the clapper box clapping. There we go. Now this is a piece of cast iron, and it was put from the part of the clapper box that I rebuilt, one of the cutoffs. So it doesn't usually finishes nicely, but we'll see where we end up. And one of the things I should have maybe done was, that's just a lathe tool that I had ground, and I didn't even look at it. I just was so excited about getting this to go, I went and put it in there. It might be dull for all I know. But the machine seems to be handling it well. This is a feature I like the most is this clutch here, because I can just kind of stop it where I want to stop it and shut the motor off afterwards. So, kind of neat.